Hello, thank you for joining RasPipKr tutorials. I'm Martin Parker, and in this video, which is going to be part of a series, a playlist, where I'm going to be showing you how to build up your own graphical user interface. This is a really early version that I did September-ish time, which I actually started on my Raspberry Pi 5 coding, and it's grown to be a decent piece of software, and things are a lot more in line on the newer version with different features, etc. But I will show you how you can make stuff like this. I'm going to upload another video which is to do with this software, not the latest version, but on how you actually use this software. So what it does is you use it to test the Wi-Fi around a building, because I do a lot of work in mental health hospitals, so I'm testing the Wi-Fi. So this is what I made to test the Wi-Fi against the access points inside the building. There is more buttons to it, but this is just a starting. It's just a screenshot, but this is what you'll be able to put together to make your own software. So this will be a start of a playlist series on how to make some graphical user interface or GUIs programs for yourself. Okay, thank you.